Are you developing products in the field of medical engineering, industry applications or power electronics? And you are looking for a manufacturing service provider who meets all your requirements in total? Trust DBK. We offer our services in the fields of surface-mounted technology, SMT, through-hole technology, THT, assembly of mechanical parts, as well as electronical parts like PCBAs, generators or switchboards. And of course, we offer a full package of state-of-the-art test engineering like AOI, AXI, inner circuit tests, functional tests, with full traceability and a continuous improvement actions. We look forward to working with you together, whatever the climate.